y'all, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? I haven't sat down and talked to y'all in about 4 days, okay? But I miss y'all. What's good? What's popping? What's crackalacking? Yes, I received so much love on my last video about being a small YouTuber, y'all. I just keep it 100. I just like to drop facts, okay? We don't live in la la land on this channel. But as always, I thank y'all for y'all's continued support. Y'all don't know a lot of what goes on behind the camera. Bam! I have my husband helping me. I have my cousin Treese helping me. And it's just like I have a really good support system in my corner. And then for y'all to be supporting me as well. That is like a bonus. Like, yes. But you already know why we're here. You already know. You seen the thumbnail. You seen the title. So hopefully, I don't know what I'm going to look like. So hopefully I look okay. Okay? But as y'all can see, y'all, this is my favorite wig. I'm going to wear this wig forever. Okay? And I'm about to go buy me another one. If you haven't already checked out this wig, this is Bobby Boss LYNA. I'll leave the link down below and you can check that video out as well. So let's get ready to present my new friend. Is y'all ready? Bam! Okay, we have the extended part lace-based deep part wig. And this is Gabriela. I need to stop trying to be so fancy. Gabriela. I think that's her name, y'all. Y'all know I get wig names wrong all the time, so don't be coming for me. All right, so this is Gabriela in the color 1B, and she is long. She has a Swiss lace extremely deep part, okay? We love a good part. Let's go ahead and see what Gabriela is bringing to the wig game. Here is the stock card. Okay. Okay, this is her fresh out the pack. Ooh, I like it. I like it like that. Okay, I see that she doesn't have any lace to cut off. And that's a good thing for me because y'all know I don't do good with the whole cutting the lace thing and all that. Y'all know I'm still learning. It does look like Gabriela got some baby hairs. She got a little baby hair situation going on right there. Y'all know I don't do no baby hairs. So on the inside of the cap, we have the comb in the back and we have two in the front. And this is the part. That part look good. Yeah. That part look good. So we're going to go ahead and do a wig swap. Hopefully I like it, okay? Because if I like it, I feel like I'm going to like this wig. Because I'm going to be ready to dance with my dogs in the nighttime. Okay? And I'm going to be in the kitchen. Wrist twisting like it's stir fry. Whip it. Okay? All right. Yes. Okay, I ain't even like get her situated, but I'm hyped. Okay, the part looks good on the inside of the cap, but I don't know what it look like on the outside of the cap. I ain't feeling that. That mean I gotta do some work. Y'all know I don't know nothing about doing no work to no wigs. But this is the part up close. I don't like the way it feels. It feel kind of funky. Okay, so. And it's big hair friendly because this thing went on with ease. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, it looks like it has a bit of an indentation right there. I thought this was going to be easy. So I'm going to take some of my pressed powder. And I'm going to apply it to the part and see if that makes it look a little bit more realistic. Y'all, I really like this though. It seems like the hair will get frizzy. I don't want to run my hands through it because I feel like it's just going to get bigger and bigger and it's going to be too much, you know, and I'm going to be out here singing, I want to be a mighty king, so enemies beware. You know, I'm not trying to look like Simba. You get what I'm saying? Mufasa. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave it. I'm going to turn to the side so you guys can see the side of the wig. And this is the back. I think I'm going to spray some water on it and some mousse. I think I'm going to mess it up. We're going to try it anyway. I just want to tame some of it. This seems like a very nice wig. See how the water just tames some of that hair? Look at that in the back. I feel like this wig will tangle easily. But the hair, it feels good. Yay. I mean, it feels okay. On this side, we're going to put some water and mousse. And we're going to see how this side do. And I'm going to just leave the other side alone. And y'all can tell me what side y'all like better. Okay? Okay. So this is the mousse side. This is the unmousse side. So y'all tell me what y'all think. I think I like this side better. Yes. So I'm going to go ahead and spray the whole head. Y'all like it like that? Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. This wig is nice, y'all. I actually really like it. I just feel like over time, the hair will become too much because you gotta remember these are synthetic wigs. So be mindful of that. And then it has the baby hairs, you know, so you can customize it yourself. But y'all know I don't do no baby hairs. So don't be like, oh, sis, why you ain't do the baby hair? Oh, mind your business. No, I don't do baby hairs and all that. I don't like that. But no shade to nobody who do. You know, we all got our own personal preference. Okay, y'all. So let me go ahead and give you my final thoughts on this wig. I like her. I can't even lie. I can't even front. I like her. I feel like I said, over time, she will get untamable. Okay, she'll get kind of big. And I like big hair, but I like big natural hair, okay? I don't want no big synthetic wig looking like who slapped me upside my head in rain, okay? But yes, I like her. And when I put the water on her in the mousse, I feel like it just brought her body waves to life. The parting, I didn't really care for the part. The part does need some work. It has this indent right here. And it just looks hella tacky. So if you are good at plucking and baby hairs and all that stuff, this wig will be nice for you. She's affordable, very affordable. I'll go ahead and leave the link down to where you can purchase the wig. It does have a little, it's like getting fuzzy in the back, and I just know. You know, when you put your coat on and it's rubbing up against your shirt and stuff, I just know it's going to get tangled. But, yes, I like her though. I like how I look with her on. You can wear this to a party. Oh, your girl is feeling herself like bam, 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 bam. Oh. Yes, I'm feeling this look, y'all. Can y'all tell? Like, hello, what you doing? Nothing, chilling at the Holiday Inn. Y'all, I'm so random with the songs. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this wig. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. You know, it does help your girl out. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.